Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Sashi E. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a wash day from start to finish. As I mentioned previously in 2 videos ago, I did receive a ton of products from Beauty Fest and I would like to try them out today. So I actually received 3 products from Hairitage by Mindy McKnight and I wanted to test out her products today. So first things first, I'm going in with her shampoo. I really like the smell of this shampoo. I also like the lather, and it is a gentle and moisturizing shampoo, which I absolutely love. As you guys can see from the start of the video, the state of my hair was not in the best conditions. Your girl had a busy month, okay? So I kind of neglected my hair just a little bit, but this shampoo got the job done without leaving my hair in shambles, okay? My hair was very moisturized. It was soft. It almost was semi-detangled from me wetting it and adding the shampoo as well. Like, as you guys can see, my hair doesn't look knotty or anything like that, and it looks quite moisturized. So after I finished shampooing, I shampooed twice. After I got done shampooing, I went in with her conditioner. This is her Deep Moisture Restore conditioner. It was nice as well. I really enjoyed using this. It was nice and thick and it really got the job done. I feel like it penetrated my hair shaft, and as you guys can see, it did smell quite nice as well. I did use this conditioner to detangle my hair, and the detangling process was quite smooth considering that I have not detangled my hair in a few weeks. So I just added it to my entire hair, and then I added it section by section as needed, and then I used my wide tooth comb to really get in there and get my hair as detangled as possible. Once I was done doing this, I just went ahead and twisted up my hair, and I did this for all 4 sections. And once I was done twisting up my hair, I just went ahead and I added a deep conditioner. So the deep conditioner that I used was not from Hairitage by Mindy, because as I said, I only got 3 products from her from Beauty Fest. So as you guys will see in a bit, I did go in with the Mielle Organics Rice Water and Aloe Vera Deep Conditioner. So this deep conditioner is very thick, but you guys, it works so well on my type 4 hair. I absolutely love it, love it, love it. As you guys can see, it's not even sitting on top of my hair strands. Like, it's really going into the strands and really providing that moisture that I need. So I'm just gonna twist my hair back up, and I'm gonna apply the deep conditioner to every section of my hair. So now that I have the deep conditioner in my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and put on a shower cap, you guys. And then I am going to sit under this concoction that I got from Amazon. It's supposed to be like a little hair dryer without the actual big hooded dryer because mine actually broke. So yeah, I'm just setting this up now, attaching my handheld blow dryer to this thing. And then I'm just going to let it do what it do for about 10 minutes. And then after that, we're going into the styling process. So now I'm just adding some Mielle Organics leave-in conditioner. I love this one. It smells so amazing. So after applying this all throughout my hair, I'm just going to section it off because I am going to be doing a braid out. I will say this is my first time doing a braid out and wearing it out, and I do prefer a twist out because it took forever, you guys, just to unravel the braids when it was time for me to take my hair down. But anyways, I'm gonna go in with this Hairitage curl cream, you guys, and I'm going to apply this to the section and then braid it up. This is supposed to be for like wash and goes and things like that, but I did need to apply a gel on top of it in order to have some hold. This provides a really soft hold. Like, I will say the hold is literally a 1 out of 10. So the gel is definitely needed. And I will say, even with applying the gel, my hair was still not crunchy. My hair was still very soft. So if you guys like to have your hair not crunchy and you like more of that soft look, definitely cop this product. But if you guys are looking for something that's gonna last for a week maybe, I don't think this product would be the best for you. So I'm just proceeding to just plait my hair all the way down, and once I get down to the ends, I'm just going to wrap my hair around my fingers and just do a little finger coil. So now I am back. It is the next day. My hair is completely dry, so I'm adding some of this oil to my fingers, and I'm just going to take my hair down. As I said, this process took quite a while, you guys. I do prefer the twist outs, but this still came out quite cute. So I'm just taking my time to separate my hair and also to spread them lightly. As you guys can see, I have great definition, but I feel like the definition looks the same as when I have a twist out. Like, I feel like it's literally similar. So yeah, I'm just separating it right now, just to give myself a little bit more volume, and then I'm just going to continue to separate the rest of my hair, and I'm going to come back when I am done. So this is my hair fresh out of the braids, you guys. It's looking pretty good, but I do want to stretch it just a little bit, just to get like maybe an inch more of length and also a little bit more volume. So I am using my blow dryer to stretch my hair. I do have a full video on my channel doing this method, you guys, so I'll link it above in the iCard so you guys could check it out. I was in a little bit of a rush, so usually I take more time to do this, but I use pretty big sections to do this because I had to go. But anyways, as I said, the video is live on my channel. I will put it above in the iCards if you guys want to check it out. So now I'm going in with my Arcani coil care, and I'm just going to apply that to the front of my hair. I love the way like edge control and jam looks at the front of my hair, so I always put it right in the front. I feel like it just gives my hair more of a shiny look, and it just looks way better in my opinion. So yeah, I'm just going to apply that to that middle section and also to my edges, just to give me a more polished look. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Also, if you have any questions, leave those down below in my comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!